Hello everybody, today I will be unboxing this Cool Chill Max space cooler. I got this at Showcase. It works similarly to an Arctic Air. It is in a form of a swamp cooler. You don't expect it to work as well as an air conditioner, even though it says it cools. It does cool only just a little bit, but not very much. A little bit, it's like a step above a fan, that's all. Not very good, but it gets the job done here. And here we have dry heat where I live. Apparently I checked the weather is supposed to get up to 98 in a few days, so I figured this is good. Since I can't afford air conditioner, this is a good alternative. It's supposed to be energy efficient, only using as much power as a fan. So yeah, let's open this up. This is an unboxing video. I have a review video coming up when it gets hot to see how well it works. Yeah, so it is the new and approved version. I was going to get an Arctic Air, but then I heard many bad reviews from it. So yeah, let's give this a try. So let's go and open it up. This was about $65 brand new. Here we go. Here you have the accessory kit. Let's set that aside and let's get to the main unit first. Here it is. It's already wrapped. It's all wrapped in protective layers. And that's about it. Nothing in there. I believe the accessory kit contains the owner's manual as well as the... Nope, the water tank is already on there. It's just probably the owner's manual. So let's open this up first. You have a USB charger. No, not a charger, a USB power brick. No brand, it doesn't say anything on it. It just says power adapter. Right there. Let's set it aside. Your owner's manual is right here, as well as a USB Type-C power cable wrapped with a rubber band. So let's set that aside and let's get to the main unit. I'm not going to power it on in this video since I don't have any water with me, and you're not supposed to run it dry, I believe, or else you can burn out the pump. Let me get the scissors so we can open this up. Here, I'll probably cut it open and I'll continue showing you on the video. I'm just gonna cut the video now. Okay, so I got this unit sort of plugged in. I didn't plug into a wall yet. One thing about this adapter is that you get two USB ports. As you can see, one is plugged in, so you can still charge your phone with it after you plug it in there. Of course, it also comes with sort of a screen protector type plastic protector to protect the display. You get 99 fan speeds, which is a bit excessive. Let's see what it says here. And you get 2 wind modes, natural and sleep, and it has a built-in timer, as well as the removable water tank, which I shall demonstrate right now. This is it. You remove this, you fill it up with water, and then it actually, I don't know what's that black thing in there, but it actually, if you freeze it, or you at least put it in the refrigerator, and then once the water gets cool, you put it back on, and then it will blow cool air. This actually opens even though it's all taped up. I'll demonstrate how this works in my review video, so stay tuned. Let's put this back on. Yeah, pretty nice. And then you actually get the vent switch. You can open and close it like this, as well as another some safety tips. I don't know what this is for, but it seems that you can also open that up as well. The back, it is a USB Type-C, not a micro USB, and it plugs into the back. And then there is the fan right there. And this also have the LED glow light, which is good for sleep apparently. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. As always, stay tuned for more videos and stay subscribed. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell.